Om Jnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave.
Actually, Prabhupada was suggesting this. In the 1950s, Prabhupada was suggesting that in the Bhakti magazine in the 1950s, when Prabhupada was writing, Prabhupada said that Sanskrit should be made the spoken language of India. And he suggested that to start off, all the languages should be spoken Sanskritized. In other words, everyone can't immediately start speaking Sanskrit, but they can start speaking Sanskritized, whatever, Hindi or Malayalam and Bengali already Sanskritized. Like in Hindi, instead of saying sharam, you can say lajja, like this. And then once people get the vocabulary, then they can introduce the grammar. So I had an interesting experience once. I was discussing with a friend of mine, a devotee scholar. We were discussing one point how the Lord doesn't like pride in His devotees. And then he had compiled some points in Telugu. He said, actually he's from Udupi, but he was living in Andhra Pradesh for many years. So in Telugu he had compiled so many different examples of how the Lord doesn't like pride in His devotees. And he said, listen, I'll read this. He started reading in Telugu. And I said, wait a minute, I don't understand Telugu. He said, no, you just listen, you'll understand. I understood everything, because it was all Sanskritized language, so I could follow. So if we all, actually now English is the link language, but it's Mlecha Bhasha. Mlecha Bhasha means it's spoken by Mlechas principally. And also Mlecha Bhasha means that it is a-Sanskrit. Sanskrit, the very meaning means it is perfectly composed. The very nature of the language is that it's perfect. Whereas English, it's absolutely imperfect. If you read a word, even I'm a native English speaker, but if I see a new word, I can't understand how it's pronounced. I can only guess. It may be pronounced completely differently to the way it's written, because it's an imperfect language. So actually, what should we do? Speak in Hindi?
Yeah, we do.
After saying all that. Hindi Bhagavad Gita hai? Hindi.